Yeah, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another reaction. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome. Listen, bro, I know it's been a while. Yeah, I know y'all niggas miss me too, but I'm back. We back. So listen, there's a whole video explaining why I haven't been uploading, and I'm working on a video right now. I should be dropping it soon, but so listen, bro. Today we're gonna be doing another reaction. Today we're gonna react to Lil Mabu. He just dropped 2 hours ago. So listen, we just gonna be reacting to that, throwing a little more content, and then after I drop this video, I'm gonna drop the other video maybe tomorrow when I get done editing. So yeah, bro, not for the talking, let's get the shit popping. Y'all know I don't like to talk a lot. I just like to get straight to the point. Bro. So listen, appreciate y'all for watching. Thank you so much for all the love and support y'all been giving me. If you haven't subscribed, here's the sub count right now. Let's get to, come on, bro. I just wanna, bro, goal for this year. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm going for the 1K this year, bro. Dead ass. I'm going for the 1K. So please subscribe to the channel. Make sure y'all share the video, like, subscribe, and all that. So enough of the talking. Let's get this shit popping. All right, y'all. Here it is. Come on. Let's see what this nigga got for us today.
Yo, bro. Shit's horrible. I went here stirring anything up with some bitches.
Yo.
I got something for you. I'm tired of this shit. Bye-bye.
Oh, nah. What happened? What the fuck?
New York City is currently on lockdown.
Bro, one thing about this nigga Mabu, bro, this nigga's like super smart with his videos. Like, who's doing it like this nigga, bro? Like, honestly, who's doing it like Mabu, bro? Like, no dick riding or nothing, bro. Who's doing it like this niggas? Yeah, I don't see no regular rapper doing all this. This is a movie, bro. Shit is fire.
Every op will get shot.
This is not a drill.
Okay. Yeah.
Like I'm done running laps. First one I see, he get turned to a pack. I'm like, get the fuck back.
Captain America?
Put the gin on my jack. Beam to his back, say hello to my cat. Mabu missed the move tack. Boom with your ass, leave a bullet in drag.
Hey, Mabu, don't fall.
I throw 10, I start feeling alarmed.
Yeah, I'ma start clutching on this 9.
Diddy better pull out when I ride.
You know I'ma slide, little Diddy arrive. Tryna shoot a nigga in his eye.
Pull up on me, let's have a good time. I'm sliding, the back of my head, I got eyes.
Hey, Mabu, who's that? Fuck it, don't shot his back.
Nigga, is that a rocket?
Just need my guy. He think I put in the bag.
And when the smoke fly high, it goes to heaven, not hell. So the ops breathing in, getting high, not knowing they smoking themselves. Mabu look cool with the deuce. I think the screws on my head a little loose. Like, pass the cane, put a beam on a broom. Bitch, when I up it, shaka like a boom. Like,
I be acting a fool. Like, when it just me, my two. My boom, my left, I steal my right. He like Diddy, I know Jack.
Shit.
What the fuck? Nah, man.
Yo, this shit fire.
Get the fuck up, nigga. Gotta get the fuck up.
Nigga, is that a fuck? Whoa. Nigga, was that a fucking boogie bomb? Yo.
What the fuck?
Was that a fucking boogie bomb, my nigga?
Mama, get the fuck up, nigga. Gotta get the fuck up.
Yo. Damn.
the dead ops shot. All ops get shot. Like chicken bang bang bang, chicken bang bang bang, chicken bang bang. Little ops can't hang. And I go insane. You can see my brain when they yell my name. Got limited range. Give me pipe,
Pass the beam. Quick, I'ma put off my team.
I think the yo fell asleep. Quick, Diddy hit him with a scream.
Wait, what's that shit called from Fortnite? The low. Was that this nigga just take a mini, bro?
I think yo fell asleep. Quick, Diddy hit him with a scream.
Damn.
Key to this shit like I'm like, get the fuck back, cause when I start clicking, I forget I rap. Put the chill on my jack, beam to his back, say hello to my cat.
Hold
Mama
on.
wish to move tack, boom with your ass, leave a bullet in
Now
rash.
we back on that drill shit. Me and Mama too deep trying to kill shit.
No, the ops gonna feel this, cause they real niggas without the realness. No, I can't say the last bar.
I think that it's time to give Mama a black card.
No, I don't got security with me, but me and Didi got some armed guards. Like I'm done running laps, first one I see, he get turned to a
That's fire. He got the N-word pass. Yo, that's fire.
Put the chill on my jack, beam to his back, say hello to my cat. My boom wish to move tack, boom with your ass, leave a bullet in flash.
My boom saves the city.
I don't know how the fuck you did that. Nigga. You really a young genius. That brain.
You want some?
That is
Yeah,
facts.
nigga.
Oh shit. That was fire, I'm not gonna lie. But appreciate y'all for watching. Thank you so much if you made it to the end of this video. And make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, like this shit, subscribe, share the video. And new video dropping tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. And that's it, man. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna be back soon. Trust me. Alright, y'all. I'ma holla at y'all. Peace out.